Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard on this laptop. So if you have the access to your physical keyboard, or if you have an external keyboard connected to your laptop, you can press Windows Ctrl and O buttons simultaneously in order to enable the on-screen keyboard right from the start. But I understand that if you need this function, then probably you don't have the access to your physical keyboard. Therefore, I'm gonna show you how to access this same keyboard from the settings. So go to the Start menu, then open Settings, scroll down to Accessibility category, then here go to Keyboard section. And now, if you want to enable on-screen keyboard, switch this toggle to the right, and this way you will enable the very same keyboard on your screen. You can change the size of it by dragging the sides and the corners of it, adjusting the keyboard to your needs. And if you want to have the access to the keyboard all the time, you can also use a different option that doesn't have a numpad, unfortunately. But if you don't want to enter the settings each time you want to open the keyboard, you can go to Personalization, then select Taskbar, and then next to Touch Keyboard option, change this option to Always. Now you can close the settings and you'll have this icon on your taskbar or status bar. Just click on it, and this way you will be able to start using the touch keyboard on your screen and access it from basically everywhere. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.